Camy 3 valve, and today we're gonna be doing a pretty short video, relatively. Should be short. We're just gonna be talking about today is going wingless in your 05 to 09 Mustang for about 88 cents if you do it the right way. And you're here to find out. So here's what's so special about doing this 88-cent install kind of do-it-yourself kind of thing is obviously you got to be a little mobile. You're gonna need a 10mm socket and obviously just a socket wrench or anything you could work that 10mm. You're gonna just take out the stock spoiler. We're gonna go back there here in a second, take a look a little bit closer, and get a look at exactly what you buy for about 88 cents and how you go about the process, because it's actually pretty easy. And in my opinion, which it seems like it kind of goes halfway in the community here recently, you know, I posted up without a spoiler on it and everybody was like, where'd the spoiler go? I said, looks like you did without the spoiler. And I got other people like myself that believe that the car looks a whole lot better without a spoiler. I mean, that's just my opinion. I think it looks sleeker, especially with being bagged. I think it looks a little bit more bagged, like it kind of adds that curve to it that it needs. So I mean, you can be the decision maker on that one. Depends how you feel about it, I guess. So yeah, we'll go ahead and hop back there in a second. Here is the rear of the car at the moment. Really like the deck lid, the tail lights. Here's the part that I want to go over are these little rivets right here. Now keep in mind this hasn't been cleaned at all. But the two rivets right here, got 4. And these can be purchased at Lowe's. See if I can find in these little baggies in the automotive section. And these rivets are literally 88 cents. And they fit really well. I'm having no leaking problems whatsoever. And you can tell, fitting real nice. And then you can see my spoiler right here. It's been taken out. And also my old deck lid as well. So yeah, I mean really, you know, this is only connected by 4 bolts. Like I said, you take the 10mm and you would just go right here and you would undo these bolts right here. And then you put these bolts in. These 4, and then obviously you would use some Gooby gun or something, stuff I don't really have in college at the exact moment. And then voila, you have a wingless S197. I gotta say, I am in love personally, just me, but I really can't complain too much about it. So there it is from all angles. I totally recommend it if you're on the fence about it, because I kind of was. And after I did it, I was just straight up just loving it. So there was that little short clip of the rear there. So yeah, like I said, if you guys are on the fence about this, I mean, it's 88 cents. Completely redoable after you take off your spoiler. If you really don't like it, you can just put it right back on. Honestly, if you haven't tried this out for yourself yet, or if you haven't switched to an aftermarket spoiler, really recommend it. But do try out the wingless, because it actually does look really good in the rear end, in my opinion. And then with what's coming next with doing the rear diffuser, I'm excited. I really am. I'm in love with the back end, how it's turning out. And now if we could just do some fine tuning in the bags and get it to lay perfectly before car show season starts coming up here, even though it's like 77 degrees out, so it already feels like car show season. We're definitely gonna get some things rolling. So expect some more videos kind of frequently. I just want to say thank you guys for being here. If you haven't already, give the channel a subscribe, a like, and always comment, you know, how you feel about the videos, any advice that you got for me. I really appreciate almost any kind of criticism you have, or any kind of, you know, comments that you'd like to share with me. I always appreciate it. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Also, go check out my Instagram if you haven't already. I keep pretty much everything updated on there, just as much as I do the YouTube here. So I'm gonna try to come out with some more fluidity on the YouTube. So I hope you guys really enjoy this short little clip video. It was nice to make, really easy. Like I said, this literally takes 10 minutes to do if you just go run up to Lowe's, grab those 2 little bolt packets. You gotta grab 4 of them. It's like the easiest thing I've ever done on this car. So I definitely recommend it. And it's a game changer. Thanks for watching.